Hey everybody, I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero with Fix and Flip Hub.
And we're back out here at our historic Central Phoenix house.
And as you can probably tell, the rehab on this home is finally finished.
That's right, Manny, and it looks amazing.
We bought this 1,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1-bath brick home about 9 months ago.
Built in 1943, it sits just east of downtown Phoenix in the historic Country Club Park neighborhood.
So we had to jump through a bunch of hoops to get our design plans approved.
In order to max out the value, we needed to add 900 square feet to the existing floor plan, plus a master suite and detached garage.
Which meant spending about 5 months going back and forth with the Neighborhood Preservation Board and the City of Phoenix to get the green light on this project.
With our plans finally approved, it was time to gut this place.
I just got off the phone with one of our crews from Milwaukee, and they're saying that one of the inspectors for one of the cities over there is really harassing them, and of course that really upsets me. So what's the best way to take this frustration out? Demo.
As we mentioned, this house was built in 1943. It's red brick construction. The outside brick was painted, but on the inside here you can see it was covered in plaster. What we're going to do for this wall, this west wall facing the street, we're going to take all this plaster off and leave this distressed brick look. And we've got our work cut out for us, so let's get going.
We tore everything out, and the plaster that covered the red brick wall is completely removed.
And while all that was going on inside, our plumber installed the new pipes for the new kitchen and master bedroom addition.
Because the concrete sets up so quickly, our guys have to work fast to get the foundation for the addition in place.
It's really something to watch them work. They're like a cement symphony orchestra. Every man plays a part.
The very next day, our framing crew was here to build out the walls. This is my favorite part about doing a remodel, like getting the framing up. It's like putting a puzzle together, and then everything is starting to kind of take its shape and form. And I just love putting stuff together.
You want me on that wall? You need me on this wall! And by the end of the week, the entire house had taken shape.
The roof trusses and boards were now in place, and inside, everything was prepped for the plumber and the electrician.
Next, the roofing crew got busy.
Yep, there were shingles flying and nail guns blasting outside. Such a cool sound.
Inside, our drywall team really got after it too.
In the bedrooms, we decided to keep the plaster intact because that would save us money, and plus it was in really good condition. So all we're doing now here is patching up a little bit of work to get the electrical in here, and that should save us some money on 3 bedrooms. In under a week, the new roof is now on.
And the interior walls are completely covered with new sheetrock and are ready for paint.
Once our painters were done in here, our carpentry crew hung the kitchen cabinets.
This is stressful work. These things are expensive and are custom ordered. Any mistake would be a disaster.
That's right, drill a hole in the wrong place or scratch a door, and it could cost us time and money.
These old brick houses can be tough to paint.
It took a lot of additional time to prep everything, but our crew got the job done in just 2 days.
After 5 months of approval processes and red tape and 4 months of construction,
it was time to dress up this house and get her ready for a new owner.
Staging the home is huge. It helps a potential buyer visualize his or her own stuff in the house.
And it makes the listing photos really pop.
Well, Manny, I guess it's time for the big reveal here.
Yeah, I may get a little emotional here, Marty. These houses are like my children.
Like your children? You mean expensive and difficult to manage?
Well, that too. However, this house is unique, and I'm really proud of the finished product.
You're right, Manny, the transformation is awesome.
For some character and curb appeal, we added shutters to the windows and installed a craftsman style front door. And we designed the landscaping to draw your eye from the street to the home.
And even though we built a 900 square foot addition and detached garage in the back, there's still a lot of front and backyard space left.
Here inside, it looks and feels like a model home.
Yeah, it smells like one too. It must be that vanilla scented candle the stager used.
As you walk inside, the home is bursting with light, and tearing the plaster off this red brick wall was a huge hit.
Yeah, practically every prospective buyer loved it.
We were able to create a much larger family room and dining room space because the kitchen was part of the addition we built.
The new floor plan is open and functional.
We went with mushroom gray kitchen cabinets, and our designer came up with some really memorable touches.
She added these floating metal shelves next to the kitchen sink. And probably my favorite part, these metal cabinet doors above the drop-in range.
Very nice, Marty. That's what we like to call house bling. And we kept it going with this farmhouse sink, faucet, and appliance package.
The new master suite in the back of the house is cozy and private.
Here in the master bathroom, we installed this Roman tub and faucet.
Along with this walk-in shower with horizontal tile and chrome fixtures.
Yep, with the dual sinks, it's like a paradise for personal hygiene freaks in here.
That's funny, Manny. Like literally bathroom humor. Good stuff.
But not nearly as good as this. We put our historic house under contract for $445,000 and it closes today.
With a buy price of $160,000 and a rehab budget of $190,000, after holding and closing costs and commissions, we'll net $65,000 in profit.
I'm Manny Romero.
And I'm Marty Boardman with Fix and Flip Hub. Thanks for watching.